Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to fix photo mode or slideshow missing on TikTok. Now to do that, what you need to do is you need to open the TikTok application of yours at first. Now that you are logged in into the account, what you need to know is why your photo mode or slideshow is missing. There are few reasons for that. Maybe the app is not updated or that feature is currently not available in your country. So there are a few solutions for this issue. First thing is you need to update the application. For that, go to Google Play Store. There on the search bar, you type in TikTok, tap open TikTok, and you need to check whether the TikTok application needs to be updated or not. Now, if you need the update, you will see the update option instead of open over there. If the update option is available, you need to tap on update and wait for the application to be updated. Then you can try whether the issue of your photo mode or the slideshow been solved or not. Likewise, what you can do for the solution is go to the profile, tap on profile on bottom right, then go to the three horizontal lines on the top right, tap that, then tap on setting and privacy. In the setting and privacy, you need to scroll down to the free up space, tap that, and there you need to clear the cache. Tap on clear, which will clear all the cache on your TikTok. Tap on clear. Sometimes the cache issue might cause these features to be unavailable as well. Now once the clearation is done, you can try whether you have the feature available or not. Even after doing these two-step process, the issue has not been solved. What you can do is you can uninstall the application and reinstall the TikTok app. For that, you need to remove your TikTok application. Again, go to the Google Play Store, open the TikTok, and you tap on uninstall. Uninstall this application, you tap on uninstall and reinstall the TikTok application and get logged in into the account. This might help you solve the issue. Once you have reinstalled and you log in into the account, check if the TikTok feature are back or not. Apply this method and it will definitely fix your missing TikTok features of photo mode and slideshow not showing. The last thing that you can do to fix the photo mode missing on TikTok is you can report it to TikTok. For that, go to profile. Once you're at the profile, tap on the three horizontal line on the top right. There, go and tap on setting and privacy. In the setting and privacy, you scroll down to the very bottom and there you can see support and about. You tap on report a problem, tap that. Then you need to go to the topic and tap on account and profile, tap on it. And here you need to tap on the option profile piece. Tap on the drop down menu, which will give you a few of these other options from here. And there you need to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on other. This will direct you to the report a problem piece over here. You can see it on the piece. Now here you need to scroll down to the end and there tap on need more help. Tap that. You need to type in the issue that you are currently having in your TikTok. So you just type in, I am currently missing the TikTok photo mode option. On my account, I need this to be fixed. Now once you typed in the issue, you tap on submit. Once you submit the request, TikTok will get back to you in few days with the solution for your problem. So this is a way how you can fix photo mode missing on TikTok. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.